Welcome, soft tappers, to the Balloon Challenge! Today we're doing something kind of crazy, and we're going to be tapping on balloons.
Today we're going to be tapping on some balloons.
Why are we doing this? Because is skin really as thin as a balloon?
It can be sometimes if you're working on mature skin, more fragile skin, or skin on the lips. This is a good exercise to show that you can lighten up your technique if you need to, and you can adjust what you need to do to fit your client's needs.
Okay, well, I'm a little bit nervous.
I'm a little bit more heavy-handed when doing procedures, but I'll adjust depending on the client. If they're more sensitive, then I'll go lighter.
My tapping technique might be a little bit more on the heavy-handed side, so we'll see. I might be popping a lot of balloons today.
My technique is way more on the light-handed side. I like to be gentle and be precise.
My technique is very versatile, and I can do whatever I need to do to make my clients happy.
Of course, she would say that. We'll see.
Okay. Start blowing up some balloons.
I'm going gold today.
Oh, dizzy. That one's a little small, Michaela.
No, it's a strategy.
Pretend that it's a real face. You don't do it less so that you can cheat.
Sticking out the tiny face.
Oh, the cheater skin. I know what you're doing.
Cheers.
I think we'll start off on the side and we'll see how that goes. Give it a try.
Okay, I'm gonna start with the 14.
I'll start with the 16.
I'm gonna start with tapping first. Ooh, 14.
14? Okay. I'm so scared.
So you can actually see like markings even without color. Just continue, see what happens.
Woo!
Yes.
Wow.
We're gonna have pop two?
Yeah, at the same time.
Okay.
We're gonna go
Let's
again.
do another one.
Oh no.
I think I'm not going to blow mine up as much this time.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try the 6 fine. I'm gonna start up here because obviously this can take a little bit more. I'm gonna try it. This feels better. Woo! See? I told you.
It's like a nice, yeah, you need to tap on the top.
What? This one is smaller. The 6 regular is smaller than the 16.
I just want to make sure I'm not cheating and like not blowing it up at all.
That's pretty good. And I blew up this balloon a lot less than the other one.
Okay, so don't blow it up too
Oh my
much.
gosh.
Side tapping. Tap strokes.
Oh, old school. This is the way it used to be done, ladies and gentlemen. OG soft tap in the hose.
Take a chance. I'm gonna use the 6 regular and we'll try a few strokes. Oh, okay. I am actually getting strokes. And this is like probably my regular amount of pressure that I usually use for procedures. And you can hear it too. It's really interesting actually.
Oh, what? Did you do
Hair strokes.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that. So gentle. I've almost got a whole brow. I can see. Until I pop it, we'll see how long this lasts. Okay, I got a giant brow here.
Alright, now I'll shade with the 14.
It's probably definitely gonna pop, but I'm gonna try it on the side now. Back with the 6 fine. Woo! Sorry. I told you I thought it was gonna pop.
Okay, now we're gonna try this with a little bit of color, and I'm gonna use a 6 fine.
Okay, I'm still on the 16. I'm going to try and tap my perfect eyebrow since I haven't popped this balloon yet.
I'm gonna use chocolate eclair and see how well it shows up on the balloon.
And I'm gonna use Cafe au lait.
I'm getting very comfortable working on a balloon.
Yeah, thin skin is not something to worry about.
But definitely had to adjust. I mean, my first balloon popped so fast. Okay, it's getting in there.
Okay.
Look at that.
Oh, very nice.
I got
very
some
nice.
taps in there.
Yeah.
My balloon.
Nice little light shading.
My best friend. My Wilson.
Wilson!
All right, so this is my brow after I've wiped it. And as you can see, the hair strokes, they have like a light feathering. And the color didn't stay as much as Alex's because she has more of a heavy hand. So I need to do a bit more repetitions just to get the color to stay in better.
I think it also has to do with like the balloon itself because it doesn't really absorb the color very well, because you can see my brow right here. But when I wipe it, I'm just gonna wipe it like really gently and then use the Q-tip. It's still messy, but you can see that the brow is still there, but it's a lot more faded. I think normally during a procedure you would see more color, the way with like my heavy-handedness, and I think with the client like it would appear a lot better. But there's my brow.
So this is a beautiful little hair stroke pattern I created with the 6 fine. It was gentle enough not to pop the balloon, and it looks really nice.
So far, I've got some nice taps in here with the 16.
All right, well, we're all done. Check these out. We have successfully completed some combo brows on balloons.
Mine needs a little bit more tapping in it, and my balloon might be deflating.
Yeah, it's okay.
Don't tell anybody. But yeah, that was a super fun exercise.
It was easier than we thought.
Yeah.
SofTap is great for fragile skin.
Thank you so much for watching. We
Yes,
had a
thank
lot
you.
of fun doing this. Little rivalry going on, but
Always.
maybe try some brows on your balloons. Go for eyeliner, maybe some lips too. Like we haven't done that yet, but maybe next time.
You know, if you guys have other challenges that you want us to try, please, challenge us. Drop us in the
Yeah.
comments. You want us to try tapping on something? We'd love to give it a go.
Sure.
Things like this are good exercises and good things to help check yourself. Sometimes you might think that your technique is really good, but you know what? Maybe you're going a little bit too hard, and somebody's skin might not be like a balloon, but it might still be really fragile. So
Yes.
it's good to pull back sometimes.
Yes, good little lesson. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and until next time,
Happy tapping!
Thank you. Goodbye.
Would you like to try the SofTap Balloon Challenge? Film yourself and post on Instagram. Don't forget to tag us at SofTap_Inc. Use the hashtag SofTapBalloon Challenge, and we'll see how you did.